Welcome to Food and Culture. Råby Restaurant. For everyone looking for a barbecue with its unique taste. A restaurant that is a discovery for the channel, with its unique taste and excellent location close to the highway. If you are a highway user who loves barbecue, taking a break at Råby Restaurant are an immeasurable pleasure. The restaurant is located in Västerås. The car parking are next to the restaurant. You will find the address in the description box.